This is the DS-11, the application for a U.S. passport. You'll use it if this is your first passport, if you're under 16, or if your most recent passport was issued more than 15 years ago, was issued when you were under 16, or was lost, stolen, or damaged. If none of those apply, you can probably renew by mail instead. One rule matters most before we begin. You submit this form in person, and you do not sign it until the acceptance agent asks you to. Let's fill it out with a sample applicant. First, choose what you're applying for: a passport book, a passport card, or both. The book works for international travel by air. The card is cheaper, but only covers land and sea crossings from Canada, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Bermuda. Then pick your book size. The regular 28-page book is right for most people. Choose the large 52-page book only if you travel often. It's the same fee. Enter your full legal name, last, first, and middle, exactly as it appears on your citizenship document, such as your birth certificate. If you've ever gone by other names, there's a space for those further down. Add your date of birth, then mark the box for your sex as it appears on your citizenship evidence. For place of birth, list the city and state if you were born in the United States, or the city and country if you were born abroad. Enter your Social Security number. This one is required by law, and leaving it blank can seriously delay your application or even cause it to be denied. If you've never been issued one, the form's instructions explain how to certify that. Add an email address and a phone number where you can be reached. The State Department only uses these if there's a question about your application. Enter the mailing address where you'd like your passport and your returned documents sent. A post office box is fine here, and you can use line 2 for an apartment or unit number. Further down, list your occupation and your employer or school. If you're retired, a student, or not currently employed, you can simply write that. Next, your physical description: height, hair color, and eye color. Then your travel plans, your departure and return dates, and the countries you plan to visit. If you don't have firm plans yet, it's fine to write none. List a permanent address if it's different from your mailing address, but never a post office box here. Then give an emergency contact, someone who isn't traveling with you, with their name, address, phone number, and relationship to you. Before you go, here's what people get wrong most. Do not sign the form yet. Your signature has to be witnessed by the acceptance agent, and signing early is the #1 reason applications are rejected. Bring the original or a certified copy of your citizenship document, not a photocopy, a government photo ID, and one 2x2-inch color photo. Photos are the most common reason applications get held up, so follow the size and quality rules closely. You'll also pay 2 fees, one to the State Department and a separate acceptance fee at the facility. You can fill this form out free at FormsPal, then download and print it. This is general guidance, not legal advice, so check travel.state.gov for the current fees and requirements.